Hey, Grandma. We're frozen. Zoe? What's the problem? You look a little frozen there. Don't you want to go in the car? Ollie does. Why do you look all weird and misshapen? Ollie, what's wrong with your sister? Oh, Zozo. Zozo, what's wrong? You want to go? Come on. Yeah, you did it! You came out of it. Now what are you going to do? You feel better now that you... Okay. Now we're ready to go. Oh. Ready, girls? Okay.